Good morning. I'm going to try to do something different. I'm just gonna take y'all with me this morning to do some things that I need to do. Mini vlog. I'm gonna try my best to, let's see. Let me get myself up. Hold on, y'all. Let me get myself up. I got my little touch light. I usually cut that on as soon as I get up. So what we're going to do today, every time I get up, my first thing I do is I cut on my, fill this with some ice water so I can make sure I try. It's been difficult, y'all, but I want to try to get at least like 3 of these in. And so, oh, I got my music on the timer. So that's Will Downing playing. Hold on, let me pause it. So we're gonna come in the kitchen, open this window, get us some brightness in, and then I'm going to go cut my smelly good on in here. I usually like some incense. So we're gonna be cleaning the living room, patting the couch out. I know I've been eating some little cookies and stuff on the couch, and I see some crumbs tonight. So we're going to be straightening this up, getting this together. I got a vacuum, and I have two succulents that I want to plant. So I'm going to, well, repot, and I tested some pots that I had from IKEA. I wasn't using for something else, and I didn't. I'm afraid this one seems like the pot it was in is okay because it's not that big. These are the pots. If y'all know, a couple years, about 2 years ago, I got all these plants from Kroger for the low. This is my favorite. I'm so glad I don't need to repot this. I love how this one looks. So yeah, so I have these IKEA pots. I got 2 of them. One I was going to use for something. I think whatever died, that's why I have this one. But I'm going to cut a hole in this one and utilize this one. Definitely going to repot this bad boy because it's, oh, I'm sorry, because it's leaning and it's ready to go into a bigger pot. So that's going to get repotted, at least this one. That one, I'm still trying to figure out. I think succulents like tight spaces, so I'm not sure if I'm going to repot that one, but we will see. Getting ready to take my, my vitamins and minerals. So I'm going to take those today. And my plan is to make some clove oil. So I need to make some clove oil because that's what I use to brush my teeth, along with, you know, another type of paste. So yeah, that's the plan. What else? I think that is it. Oh, make up my bed, clean my room. So I'm going to do that as well. So yeah, we're going to do those things. But definitely the clove oil and repotting the plant. I'm going to get off real quick and find out about this succulent. Yeah, I'm gonna find out. Now, do y'all take all y'all? See, I take all mine at one time. Like I have moringa, magnesium, iron, vitamin K2. Yeah, this is a cayenne pepper tincture, and I had traveled, so I put in a little bottle. But normally, it's in my mason jar. And you only need really some drops, but he said if you're a soldier, take more. It's good for everything. Look up cayenne pepper. It's the king of herbs, and it's amazing. So let's get some water in this jug. I'll get some more ice. I hate doing this without my funnel. Hold on, y'all. Ice goes everywhere. And I like the fresh ice. When I put it too high, I ain't able to get that much water. All right. All right, let's go open up the windows in my office. And then I'm gonna go brush my teethuses. Need some light. There we go. Give my baby some light. Turn the music on. Okay, got the music going. I need to do some cutting in here. I usually come and see what needs to be cut or if anything is not looking kosher when it comes to them. So yeah, I kind of look around all of them and try to see if anything needs to be clipped and cut, and I see something on the other side over there. He's looking pretty good. This is the one I've been having a struggle with. I've been trying to let it do its thing, but I really feel like this stump here is just gone. We'll see. I'm gonna cut everything off of it and kind of go from there with letting it to see what happens with it. Yeah, and for some reason, I don't know if these do this, but for some reason this one just started doing that too. You see that yellow thing right there? I'm about to cut that. I'll go back and get the pieces that fell. Hold on. Okay, let me look up the next size for the succulent plant so I can get that done. Hopefully they both can be repotted so it looks, I don't know, symmetrical because it's in the window. I wouldn't want all three of them different pots, but we'll see. Let's see. These are the two that's getting repotted. I gotta get in here and cut some of this out. I'll pull it out. But this definitely needs to be repotted. It is done great. It's just too big for this little pot. So we're gonna get rid of that. Yeah. I'll do something with that later. That drywall dust got everywhere. So this is what they look like. I like to go in and clean them before I actually repot them. Get all the dead leaves and everything. Really can't see them when they're in that little tiny pot. So when I know I'm not going anywhere, this bed don't get all these pillows. We're not doing that. So we're gonna do it in a way that is clean and looks clean. Look appealing to the eye, meaning like it's made up, because your girl's not going anywhere. It's a chill day, and yeah, so I'm going to just make it up, show you how I make it up when I'm doing it for me to just relax around the house and I'm not going anywhere. So let's get into it. Remember when I told y'all I only use the sheet set? I use it twice. I use the flat sheet and I use the fitted sheet as two different bed makings. This is the flat sheet, and it usually don't come all the way off. It does this, but it's fine for me because as long as it don't come completely off the bed, I'm good. So let me show you how I make it.